This is Estelle. Are you ready for change? To empower your healing, I'm going to show you how to do basic abdominal massage for yourself. This can help with abdominal and back pain. You're going to use your whole hand. This isn't about pressure, but consistency and technique. Using the flat of your hand, start on the left side. You are doing circles going down. It'll probably take multiple passes, so you can start on the outside and move a hand width over and do it again until you've gone over the entire left side. Once you spend at least 2 minutes on the left side, then you do the same thing from the bottom to the top on the right side for at least 2 minutes. If you find a sore spot and it isn't too painful, feel free to do more circles there. And you can do this up to 30 minutes a day. Remember to do as much of this as you can without pain. We're all works in progress. Thank you so much for watching. And of course, you know to do all the things. Reach out if you have any questions.